In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a payment on Splitwise. This is really useful if you share expenses with friends, roommates, or family, and you want your balances to stay accurate. When someone pays someone back outside of Splitwise, like with cash, bank transfer, or another app, you'll want to record that payment so Splitwise reflects what's actually been settled. Let's get started. First, open Splitwise in your browser and go to your dashboard. This is the main page where you can see your groups, friends, and overall balances. On this page, look for the button that says Add Expense. Even though you're recording a payment and not a new bill, Splitwise handles both actions from this same button, so go ahead and click Add Expense. Next, you need to choose the person whose payment you're recording with. This will usually be the person who either paid you back or the person you just paid. On the left or center of your screen, you should see a list of friends or group members. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct person, especially if you have multiple groups or people with similar names. Once you've found the right person, click on their name to open the expense window with them. Now that you've selected the correct person, Splitwise will show you a form where you can enter the details of the payment. In the description field, type something clear and simple, like payment for groceries or rent repayment. A good description helps you and the other person remember what this payment was for later on. Next, enter the amount of the payment. Make sure you type the exact amount that was actually paid back. Double check the currency and the number of decimal places so there are no mistakes. This amount will be used to adjust your balance with that person. Once you've filled in the description and the amount and confirmed that everything is correct, you're ready to save the payment. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the form and click it. After you save, Splitwise will update your balance with that person to reflect the payment you just recorded. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a payment on Splitwise, and your shared expenses should now be more accurate and up